Hello and welcome to today's video. Today's video topic is GitHub, an essential platform for software development and collaboration. GitHub is a web-based platform that was created in 2008 with the aim of helping developers collaborate on software projects more efficiently. It works by allowing developers to share and host their code, track changes, and work together on projects in real time. This makes it the most valuable tool for both individuals and large teams. GitHub has a range of features which make it an essential tool for software development. For example, it has an issue tracker which allows developers to report bugs, request features, and discuss the progress of the project. It also has a powerful system for code reviews which allows developers to review each other's code and make changes. This helps to ensure that the code is of high quality and consistent with the project standards. GitHub Pages is a feature that allows developers to create and host websites, while GitHub Actions is a tool that automates software workflow, making it easier to build, test, and deploy code. Whether you are a solo developer or part of a large team, GitHub can help you streamline your work and make your project a success. Thank you and see you in the next video.